In this video, we will be replacing the front sway bar links in this 2003 Toyota Camry. To prep this vehicle, I have installed wheel chocks on the rear tires. I have set the parking brake. I have raised the vehicle and supported it with jack stands. And I have removed the wheel from both sides of the front. With the front wheel removed, I can clearly see my sway bar link located behind my braking assembly. At the top we have a bolt that needs to be removed, as well as on the back side of the bottom we have an additional bolt. Applying a little bit of Amsoil metal protector will help that bolt come out. It has been in there a long time and is probably pretty rusty. Connecting a vice grip to the back of this will help prevent it from spinning. On my lower connection point, it will be a little bit more problematic to get the wrench in there. Using a vice grip on one side and a socket with a bunch of extensions underneath the vehicle on the other, I was able to get this loose. It did take quite a bit of work. And I always like to compare my old part with my new part to make sure that they are the same size and the pieces are in the correct orientation. These are looking good, so we can go ahead and reinstall this on the vehicle. And start the nuts. And I can use an 18mm wrench to hold the back side of this while I snug down the front. This is using a 17mm socket. And both of those will be torqued to 55 foot-pounds. At this point, our sway bar link has been installed and torqued down, and everything is looking pretty good.